Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you the quick way to check your system specification on your Windows PC or device specification of your Windows PC. Let me show you how. First thing first, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on your start menu right here. So having right click on start menu, navigate to system right here. Then here you go. You have details about your system spec on your PC, such as RAM, such as storage, and at the same time, the graphics card, the processor that you are using, and the device specification down below right there. Everything about this device specification is going to be told right there, and at the same time, the type of window version you are using. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC settings, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.